What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's basically a LinkedIn tutorial for beginners for content creation. It's going to help you in your social media marketing strategy. And as you can see right now, there is a displayed image on my screen. Well, this is not how LinkedIn carousels are supposed to get uploaded. There is absolutely a different way and a correct way to upload a LinkedIn carousel. And in today's video, I'm going to make you guys learn how to create LinkedIn carousel, how to post LinkedIn carousel. Uh, we are going to see how to post on LinkedIn. Basically, a perfect way to go ahead and post your LinkedIn carousel. Basically, on LinkedIn, the LinkedIn carousel posts are often called as LinkedIn slideshows. And the reason for that is this. As you can see over here, there are 5 different images, but it's basically a LinkedIn slideshow. Like you click on the swipe button the way we do it on Instagram, and that's how the content keeps on changing. In today's video, you will learn the LinkedIn content creation, how to create a LinkedIn organic carousel, how to make a carousel or post a carousel on LinkedIn. Basically, LinkedIn organic carousels make you grow better. It helps you in terms of getting your engagement high on LinkedIn. Let's have a look how to make carousel post on LinkedIn. Let's get started. So the first thing, the tool that I'm going to use is Adobe Express. It's a free tool unless and until you guys want to go ahead and try some pro parts. The first thing I'm going to do is click on this add button and create a custom graphic. I will go ahead, since it's a carousel that LinkedIn is asking for, a carousel is always going to be 1000 by 1000 pixels. So I'm going to go ahead and create a custom board for that. Let me fill this particular color so that it is visible for you guys, and preferably in LinkedIn color. Once the board is created, I'm going to add some text on this. Make sure that your text is striking enough. For example, LinkedIn strategy you must include in 2023. Now I'm going to go ahead and add few shapes over here because I want people to understand that it is a carousel. So I will go ahead and search for arrow, the icon. And once I find the icon that is okay with me, I'm going to select it. Just click on this particular arrow over here. It will get automatically added. Now we have the first slide that is ready. If you want, you can go ahead and add your branding the way I'm going to do right now. In order to do that, I'm going to click on this upload picture button, upload photo, and I'm going to go ahead and simply click on the PNG for YouTube that I downloaded. Resizing is very simple on Adobe Express, and after that I'm just going to add the bearded peak so that there is actually a branding and people don't steal your content. Once that is done, you can just adjust the text size and you can place it. Now this is the first slide of your LinkedIn carousel. In order to go ahead and add the same slide, I'm going to click on this particular button saying that duplicate the page. It's going to give me the duplicate page. Since it is a carousel, I'm going to divide this particular slides, the LinkedIn slides, in 2 different segments. I'm going to share 8 tips for going ahead and getting your LinkedIn profile right, or LinkedIn profile optimization. Now I will go ahead and make the adjustments about the text, you can simply select the text size over here and make it as per what you want. I'm gonna go for 60 as a font size, and we can see that we have our text ready here. In order to create the next slide, I'm again going to click the duplicate page, and I'm going to add the text that I have. Once my text is added, the only thing that you need to do now is basically, as you can see, there are 3 slides that we have created. You can either choose to go ahead and create a 4th slide for your branding purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and make a duplicate page over here. Now this is my 4th page, and I will delete. In order to delete this content, you just need to press the delete button. Just select the bearded geek as in the text of your channel name. Press shift and select the YouTube icon. Now I'm going to delete this arrows from here because it is not required, as this is the last slide. Once we are done with all these, this is our LinkedIn carousel. LinkedIn strategy you must include in 2023. So these are the steps, and once that is done, you just need to click on download over here. Instead of this page, as you can see, you can click on all pages and then you can take it as a JPEG. However, there is a catch over here. LinkedIn carousel doesn't work when you upload it as a JPEG or a JPG. So you need to download it as a PDF. Once you are done with that, it will process the document and it is going to download the PDF. This is just basically a way to how to design better LinkedIn carousels. Now I'm going to go on my LinkedIn profile and I'm going to go ahead and upload the LinkedIn carousel. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on this start a post button, and I'm going to go ahead and click on add a LinkedIn document. So once you click the add a LinkedIn document, you will have to choose the file. I'm going to simply choose the file that is a PDF that I converted from Adobe Express or Adobe CC Express, however you want to put it. As you see right now, the LinkedIn carousel is ready, and you can just swipe it through these particular arrows. I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and name your document. Let's say LinkedIn carousel or LinkedIn strategy rather. Click on done. Once that is done, you can go ahead and type whatever you want. After that, you need to go ahead and write the caption that you want. As you can see on the screen, I have just written a simple caption that is LinkedIn post strategy you must include, an exclamation, and I have added few hashtags which are related to my particular post. Once that is done, I can go ahead and directly post it. In order to understand how to schedule LinkedIn post or schedule LinkedIn post, I'll be creating a separate video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply go ahead and click on post. Once that is done, let's have a quick look going on my profile. How does this look? So this is how your carousel or your LinkedIn carousel is supposed to look. As you can see, that was not the correct way. This is absolutely not the correct way. It's not going to take your audience anywhere, and that is not the correct way of posting a carousel on LinkedIn. If you find this particular video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more such tips for you guys. Till then, take care.